This is the main chassis unit of the Acutus. We're just now fitting the sub-chassis. And these are the suspension rings being fitted, which centralise the sub-chassis. We're now going to fit the main platter and the drive belts. Later we'll do a close-up and show you actually how to fit the drive belts easily. We're now going to fit the record clamp and then align the suspension. This has to be done with the drive belts on and the record clamp due to the weight and the pull of the belts. What we're doing here is making sure that the suspension turret's all sitting level. And the deck now bounces. Now we're going to do a close-up and show you some of the features on the AVID deck. Here we can see the lateral suspension rings, and you can see the hole to actually allow you to adjust the suspension. At the front we have a level to make sure that the deck is level when you're playing. Around the back we have the motor assembly. You can see here that the motor is held in place with a band and is isolated from the chassis unit. Now we're going to show you the easiest way to fit the belts to the AVID. What we're doing here is fitting the belt location pin. And we'll put the belts now around. There's one. It's a dual belt system. And there's the second. What we're now going to do is invert the platter and put it onto the deck itself. Before we fit the belt, I'll just show you some of the pieces on the AVID deck itself. Here we can see the cast sub-chassis unit and the main casting of the main chassis unit. On the bottom of each leg is an adjustable foot to help with levelling. You can see on the bottom of the motor it has one as well. Now we're going to fit the platter and the belt on. There we go. With the location pin it makes it very easy. And there we have it. One AVID Acutus ready to go.